Picture this. Stablecoins exploding past $277 billion, Ethereum smashing records, and even a US state launching its own digital dollar. If you're feeling the market's pulse quicken, you're not alone. These updates point to real momentum that could spark the next big move. Today, I'm unpacking the freshest crypto news straight from the front lines, all to help you spot opportunities and make smarter decisions. Whether you're new to this space or building your portfolio, I'll explain everything simply so you can follow along. Let's jump in and see why things are heating up. Stablecoins are basically digital versions of the US dollar or other fiat currency, pegged one-to-one for stability, and they're growing fast. In just the past month since the Genius Act became law, their total supply jumped by $16 billion, with another $6.75 billion added last week alone. Now sitting at $277 billion overall, this isn't slowing down, it's accelerating. Treasury Secretary Bessent predicts it'll hit $3.7 trillion by the end of the decade, which feels more realistic every day. And get this, Wyoming just launched the Frontier Stable Token, or FRNT, the first fully reserved USD stablecoin issued by a US state. It's deployed on 7 chains like Ethereum, Solana, Polygon, and Avalanche, backed by cash and treasuries. Public access starts soon on Solana and Avalanche. This bridges traditional finance and crypto, making it easier for everyday folks to use stable digital money without wild price swings. In my view, this state-level push is a game changer, showing governments are embracing crypto instead of fighting it. Ethereum is showing serious strength. Staked Ethereum in liquidity pools. Think of these as shared pots where people lock up assets to earn rewards and keep things liquid. Just hit $1 billion in total value locked across all chains. That's a steady climb from May to August this year. Plus, the supply of Ethereum sitting on exchanges has never been lower, meaning fewer coins are ready to be sold quickly. When supply drops and demand rises, prices often follow upward. It's a classic bullish sign for Ethereum holders. On top of that, Ethereum's on-chain volume, which is the total value of transactions happening directly on the blockchain, reached $14.7 billion recently. That's pulling metrics from the 2021 bull run, hinting at renewed activity and potential price pumps. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is where protocols let you trade, lend, or borrow without banks, and it's concentrating power. Last week, 87% of revenue distributed to token holders came from just 9 protocols, with 75% from 3: Hyperliquid, Pump Fun, and Aerodrome. Aerodrome alone hit $1 billion in 24-hour volume. Another day, another billion, as they put it. This shows a few strong players are capturing most of the action, which could mean big rewards for those invested in them, but it also highlights the need to diversify. Good news for accessibility. SUI, a fast blockchain token, is now available on Robinhood starting today. Millions of users can trade it with a tap, bringing SUI's power to more people. This step makes crypto less intimidating for beginners. Polkadot is pushing hard into the US with their new capital group, aimed at driving institutional adoption. They'll connect traditional finance to the Polkadot ecosystem through tokens, staking, DeFi, and real-world assets. Banks, funds, and exchanges now have direct access. Expansions like this could be massive. But on Bitcoin, demand growth is slowing, including from ETFs and strategies. This apparent demand metric reflects on-chain activity and company purchases, and its pause is behind the current price correction. It's a reminder, while the market accelerates, not everything moves at the same speed. Crypto's transition to mainstream is happening right now, with these milestones proving the foundation is solid. Stay informed, think long-term, and you could yield real results. If this helped, hit that like button, drop a comment on your favorite update, and subscribe for more daily breakdowns. Check out our previous video on yield strategies. Never financial advice. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow.